Welcome to the world's most advanced eco-factory. Today, we are turning simple banana stems into luxury fabric. It all starts here. Thousands of fresh, green banana stems arrive daily, ready for transformation.
Look at that massive load. These stems used to be waste, but now they are valuable raw material.
They travel down the main conveyor line like a giant green river, heading straight for processing. Precision lasers trim off the excess leaves. We need the stems perfectly clean for the next step.
Time for a bath. High-pressure jets blast away every speck of dirt from the stems.
Just look at that high-definition cleaning action. The water reveals the bright, fresh green color.
Soft brushes scrub the surface gently. We ensure every stem is polished and ready.
Smart robots scan every inch. Only the perfect stems make it to the extraction line. This is the splitter. It slices the thick stem right down the middle with incredible force. Look inside. Layers of green skin protecting the juicy white core. That's where the fiber is hiding.
Robotic fingers gently peel back the layers. It's so satisfying to watch them separate.
We separate the green skins from the white inner sheaths. Everything is organized automatically. Into the extractor they go. This machine is the heart of the entire operation. Watch this slow motion. The rollers scrape away the pulp, leaving only the strong strands behind. The rollers scrape away the pulp, leaving only the strong strands behind. Water jets blast away the leftover mush. The transformation is almost complete.
And there it is. Pure, silky, white banana fiber. It looks just like hair, doesn't it?
Robots hang the fiber bunches on the rail. They need to be washed and dried next.
The bubbles gently agitate the fibers, cleaning them without tangling. It's mesmerizing.
A dip in the bubble bath removes any sticky sap. We need the fiber to be perfectly smooth. Heavy rollers squeeze out every drop of water. The fiber is getting lighter and stronger.
Now entering the drying chamber. Warm air circulates to remove all moisture.
Watch the magic happen. The wet strands fluff up and turn into silky, shiny gold.
Automated combs brush the fiber straight. This makes it soft and easy to spin.
Look at that texture. It's incredibly soft, almost like natural silk, but stronger.
And time to spin. The loose fiber enters our high-tech spinning machine. The machine twists the fibers tightly. This creates a thread that is unbreakable. Thousands of meters of thread are wound onto spools every minute. Speed and precision. We test the strength. It stretches but never breaks. This is high-quality material.
The warehouse is filling up. These spools are ready to become fabric.
Into the weaving loom. This machine weaves faster than the eye can see.
Back and forth, back and forth. The threads interlock to create a durable, eco-friendly fabric.
Look at that beautiful texture forming. It breathes like cotton, but shines like linen.
The finished fabric is rolled up. We produce miles of this material every single day. We waste nothing. Leftover fiber is mashed into pulp to make banana paper. Heavy rollers press the pulp into thin, strong sheets of paper. No trees cut down.
Lasers cut the paper into perfect sheets. It's great for packaging and art.
We also mold the pulp into biodegradable plates, a perfect replacement for plastic.
We can also dye the fabric. We use natural green dyes to keep it eco-friendly.
The fibers soak up the color instantly. The result is a vibrant, natural green.
Every inch is scanned by AI. We ensure zero defects in our fabric. Under the microscope, you can see the perfect structure. This is top-tier engineering.
Here is the final collection. Fabric, paper, and rope, all from banana stems.
It feels so soft. You would never guess this came from a tree trunk.
Now, let's make some products. Automated sewers stitch the fabric into stylish bags. Branding time. We stamp our eco-friendly seal of approval on every bag.
Neatly folded and ready to go. The presentation is just as important as the product.
Watch it take shape. From a flat sheet to a functional tote bag in seconds. And look at this. Our plates are waterproof and durable. Nature's technology. We pack them in recycled boxes. Sustainability is our priority from start to finish.
The final seal. 100% banana fiber, proudly displayed for the customer.
The boxes are stacked onto pallets. We are getting ready for a massive shipment.
Our logistics team moves the pallets to the loading bay. Efficiency is key.
Loaded up and ready to roll. These products are heading to stores near you.
And off they go. Another successful day at the Banana Fiber Factory. Best of all, it returns to the earth. 100% biodegradable and zero waste.
Check this out. Fall.
From green waste to white gold. That's the power of innovation.
Just look at the difference. A complete transformation right before your eyes.
This is the future of sustainable fashion. Beautiful, strong, and green.
Love this tech? Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing factory tours.